Si ano yung pinakamahirap ng action? Si Tom Spoiler siguro, but go ahead, Arjo.
Wow. The whole thing was very difficult, to be honest. The whole movie was very difficult, I have to say. We had less time to focus on the film. So medyo action-packed talaga siya from the moment that the gun starts until the end, dire-diretso. But definitely, what was hard was maintaining, making sure that we don't go overboard with the PTSD, with the guidance of the production, with the guidance of the director, and of course, with my co-actors. And siguro, the beginning and the ending, to answer your question, are two of my favorites as well. Pero definitely, yung buong pelikula, ako nahirapan talaga. But definitely, ending and beginning were two of the hardest in terms of time and effort.
Pero ano ang ginawa mo dito? Humawa ka ng baril. Ano pa? Tumalon ka ba? Bumolyo ka ba?
Iba-iba eh. Ang dami na. We went around talaga. We explored the world of action and directed sa Takas.
Grabe. Julia! Anong pinakamahirap daw na scene na ginawa mo?
Yung panoorin ng paghihirap ni Arjo. Hindi, no joke yun Kasi ang hirap, especially for an actor, to act, and then you're thinking also how to be safe. Kasi syempre, hindi natin masasabi, sabog pa rin yan glance pa rin yan movements pa rin yan. Hindi mo matatansya kung magkakaroon ba kayo, magkakaano. And may mga times na habang hindi pa ako nakikipaglaban, pinapanood ko si Arjo, sobrang wala akong masabi. Kasi nakakapagod siya, draining emotionally, physically. Kung may specific naman, siguro yung part na bilang babae, yung hindi ako ready mentally, natatakot ako from second floor ng warehouse pababa.
Wow!
Nakutuwa ako na director. May ina-explain lang siya, Jules, tingin mo, try lang natin na sukatin natin dito. Angat lang natin ng konti. Sige po. Maangat ako ng konti. O dito, kaya mo pa ba, Jules? Angat pa natin ng konti. Angat pa. Okay po. Okay po ka lang, okay po. Kasi na-realize ko nung tatapakan ko yung sa second floor, mataas na to Jules, okay ka? Okay po. Hindi na ako makaalam kasi parang nabag ka na sa moment. Siguro yun yung masarap dahil sa set. Kung nakifeel nyo to, di ba may vibe na siya? Nakifeel nyo na yung moment. What more sa amin as actors na may storya kami pupuntahan. So minsan may mga ganun factor na ang sarap-sarap i-portray kasi nga dadalan ka na doon ng moment. So siguro walang specific talaga. Lahat ang dami.
Tanong, gumamit ka ba ng double?
Direct, ikaw.
Okay, good question. What's exciting about my actors, from everyone here, and most especially my lead actors, Julia, Arjo, Sid, Encho, Paulo, Cholo, Ivan, and the rest, we provided safety stuntmen and stunt doubles on the set. Okay? That's a protocol. But as you go along with the scene, and then the reason why ganito yung setup natin, because we want everyone to go back in that memory lane na ganito yung sitwasyon namin. Kaya ito yung set na feel talaga. Until such time na everyone have this very intense na energy na, okay, let's do this, kaya to. Until such time na you realize the double is already for the safety because more than 16 hours, they're doing their best. If I'm going to isa-isa ko lang kahit mabilis lang. Julia Montes, once na hinuusan mo na siya ng dugo, sa first eksena niya sa umaga, ang dugo namin doon baldi-baldi kasi. So, buhusan ng dugo si Julia sa umaga, kasi yun yung eksena niya, she will never gonna go back sa tent niya. That's the mark of a very, very amazing actress. She never said, can I take away my blood muna? Kasi wala pa. Makikita mo si Julia, she's just sitting in one corner, waiting for her scene. Hanggang sa ma-pack up mo na siya sa madaling araw, na tsokolate na yung itsura niya kasi ang lagkit na. Doon palang, it's really an honor to see them doing that. Arjo Alcaide, he said to me, siyempre, hindi naman siya doon, di ba? Ang sabi ko lang kay Arjo, just go with the flow. Isipin mo lang na sinaulo ka. Kung sinaulo ka, unstoppable ka eh. Kung sinaulo ka, unstoppable ka na. Yun ang ginawa ni Arjo. Yun ang ginawa ni Arjo. Tuloy-tuloy lang siya na after a while, uncontrollable na. Hindi mo na siya makontrol. Same goes with Sid, same goes with Encho. Lahat yan, total, buhos na ng energy nila. And same with the actor. So yun ang pinaka-amazing sa kanila.
Thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat for sharing that. Sisa, another content creator, has a question. Napanood din niya yung film kanina.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng cast. Ang tanong ko lang po, since all your scenes and your stunts are difficult, how did you prepare po for the scenes para lalong maging kayo mismo ng
Anybody? Paolo, ikaw naman. Sumagot ka naman. Paolo. Preparations for your character.
Well, kasi ako, I've been working with Direct Richard Soros for the past few years na. So, medyo alam ko na yung kung na-expect na classic action na tax office. So, in preparation for this, part of the lifestyle with martial arts and pagpaparel. So, medyo tsaka ito po ay may talk ko naman talaga ako. So, I think enough preparation and talk ko.
Alam niyo po, isa sa mga dapat ng abangan is the scene between Arjo and Paolo Paraiso. Grabe yun. Sa mga nakapanood, I know you will agree with me. Anybody else who wants to share their preparation? Sid, preparations mo for your character.
I think the hardest part of the movie is preparing to work with the Richard. Honestly, in terms of the stunts and the physical aspect of it, hobbies ko lahat yun. That's something I really like to do. Pero, parang hindi sa kaya kasi Richard Soros has said. There's no such thing as break, there's only stand up. And that's the best part about it.
Wow. Thank you, Sid. Anybody else who wants to answer before we move to another question by Kate Adahar? Wala na. Thank you, Sisa. Maraming salamat. Kate Adahar.
Good evening. My question is for Julia. Reaction to Director Richard's feedback. Saka, paano mo rin na pinagkandaan nag-workout ng special fitness plan, diet, for the
So, kasi nagkakasabi ko lang ang tao, so sa workout, medyo sasablay po ako. Pero physically, mentally, preparedness, siguro, yun yung talagang pinagdasal ko rin. Kasi iba po ang trabaho sa Direct Richard and sobrang blessed ko na maka-experience sa Richard Soros film. Ito yung film na ang sarap sa pakiramdam na iba naman yung tingin sa babae, na ang babae naman this time na lang. Ang babae, hindi lang mag-aantay lang ng tulong, kundi nalaman din, lalo na sa tao mahal yan. So, yun yung ibang experience na naparamdam sa akin na Direct Richard. So, sabi ko nga, while filming this, kung dumi-dumi, kung sapakan, if tama magkakaalala ko 8 hours yung isang shoot natin, 8 hours straight na fight scene. So, yung parang po, workout na firm mo. So, yun yung masarap sa shoot na to. And pag napanood nyo naman, talaga namang hindi mo iindahin yung dumi, yung tagal, yung pagod, yung pawis, lahat yun. Kasi worth it kapag napanood mo.
How long did you shoot this film?
Okay. We really shoot fast. 18 days lang.
Wow.
Because we plan a lot. We never go sa set. Ganun lang ito comics ay lang, pero we really plan a lot. Hindi kami para-para. So 18 days target, 18 days yung shoot days. And tama sa oras, may mga extended na content, pero you just need to finish it. Pero we comply with the rules, with the regulations, but we really need to be on time and work with the deadline.
Thank you, Direk. Before I give the mic to Ana Pinol for the next question,